Yo, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. I am in a kayak in Halong Bay. I'm in a jacuzzi in Halong Bay. Hello! Alright, the start to this trip has been absolutely chaotic. Halong Bay speedboat tour, and we are off. Woo! I'm so cheap. Got the pyramid in the cave, let's go. Long Island iced tea, please. Let's go. Let's try to get out of this thing without drowning. Okay, let's go. All right, we'll do it. Welcome to another one. Cheers. Yo, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we are heading to Halong Bay. I've got a VIP bus picking me up in about 5-10 minutes. So I need to get to Circle K, picking up a few things, and then we're going 3 hours to Halong Bay for a boat cruise. It was $10 extra to get 5-star VIP, so let's maneuver this traffic. Absolute chaos. I need to get over there, and I'll see you when this bus gets here. It's all happening 8 a.m. in Hanoi, Vietnam. Wow. Yes, thank you. All right, we got 3 hours on this thing and 30-minute stop along the way. Let's see what today has in store for us. We're the last group, are we?
We're on the second floor, everyone.
Okay.
I'm okay. Second floor, everyone.
Wow, look at this. What happened with the tickets, brother?
I will get it back later.
But why it take so long?
Yeah.
Alright.
There's some issue with the printer.
Printer. Okay. This is us.
Yes.
Thank you. Hello. Do you want to jump in? I might jump up with my camera. Alright, the start to this trip has been absolutely chaotic. First, some people got held up buying pearls, then the printer stopped working, and now it's 1 p.m. and we finally got on the boat for a feed. So before we jump in there, I'll show you what's going on. This is the buffet. It's all right. I met 2 legends along the way. We got Adam, we got Alex. What's going on? A few others. Hello.
Hi.
Nice one. It's a speedboat.
Speedboat is a $10 per ticket.
Yes.
Can I connect to
You
the
recommend speedboat?
It depends on experience of the different people. But for us, it's nice and also has more things to see and beautiful, sightseeing, different place, different experience. But it depends. Some people they like, some people don't like, and some people they want to do, some people don't want to do. It depends on experience of the different people. But for us, we recommend. It's a different place.
Yeah, you haven't sold it to me, but we'll do it anyway. Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir. Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia.
And you?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yep.
Nice to meet you, bros. Thanks for guiding us today. Tonmi.
Thank you.
Tonmi, is that how?
Can I own you 50? I give you later.
This currency's carnage, right? But yes, thank you, mate.
Your friend want to do?
All right, this is our first stop. You can either take a wooden bamboo boat, a kayak, or a speedboat. And look at this absolute chaos.
Okay, let's go now, everybody.
All right, we're taking the speedboat. Let's go. After you, sir. No, you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No idea what is going on. Life vest, okay. Alright, we're getting on one of these things. That's the plan. Hello, brother. Number 19, boys, that's us. Up the back for sure. How are you, brother? Thank you. Right by the motor. Let's go. We got the whole back. Look at this. Feet up. Woo-hoo! Let's go, bros. Yeehaw! Yeah, film up the front. Let's go. We're following this boat for sure.
So now we have the bamboo cake. Okay?
Thank you, brother. Cheers. I'm gonna try and hold a camera and paddle in a kayak. Is gonna be jokes. We can either take a bamboo or a kayak. I think kayak has got my name all over it. Yes. All right, camera's chilling there for a minute. Let's go. Thank you, bro. Let's go. Yo! Where are the boys? Oh, I can put my feet there. All right, eat. Let's go. Oh my God. Watch out for the bamboo boat. Whoa! Oh, we can go through the cave, dude. Let's go. There's a lot going on. Let me pull this camera up real quick. All right. Try and dry that off. All right, we didn't bring the chest mount or the head mount, but we're heading through that cave. Adam and Alex are over here. Got a ciggy in hand, mate. Let's get that cave, bros. Here we go. In the tunnel. Do not crash into bamboo boat. And I'm on my way of doing that. Oh my God. Oh, sorry, Jay. Oh, shit. Hello. Oh, oh shit! Sorry, bros. Bro, if we capsize, that's 2 phones. Oh my God! It was chaos to start with, but this is definitely better than the boat tour we did in Thailand. Dude, they're hoofing it. Let's. Oh. Hello. You guys should be in the Olympics. Alright, we're going back through this tunnel. Oh shit. Alright, well that was fun. Back on the boat. What time is that bar open, baby? Let's get in that jacuzzi. Woo! Alright, now that it is not blowing a gale, we can have a quick tour of this boat. This is up top. Got a dance floor here. That's where we take a speedboat, bamboo boats, and then we went through that cave. A few sunbeds here. The photos that I saw had the pool on the roof, but that's the neighbors, so we might have to jump the fence there. Our jacuzzi is cold. Look how many boats are pulled up though. All right, that's top deck, sun deck. Come down here. Thank you. Look at that, got another pool there. Jacuzzi, a few cocktails. And this is where I'll be in a minute. Hey bro.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Come down the sides. And then this is our
You come here.
level. Yeah, I'll come in. You turn it on so
I turn on.
Ah, nice one. Look at that. Thank you, bro. I'm gonna jump in there real soon. And to come through here, this is our level. That's where we had lunch. Here's the boys chilling, ordering a few cocktails. Long Island iced tea, please. And then yeah, you can chill down on this level. I'll show you the bottom. It's another level of just restaurant, I think. Yeah, look at this. Real nice. Oh shit, jewellery, some pearls. Come through here, a few bottles, they're all empty. Got a nice bar in here. All these people I think are extremely off my group because we had, and then this is kitchen out the back. All right, we need to go this way because we had a bit of a delay. We had a bit of a delay with the pearls at the first stop, and then a few Indians in the group needed their halal Hindi food, so that was another delay, and then we had a printer issue, so I think we were like 45 minutes, if not an hour late, and then we all just had to walk on, head down, and yeah, we're still getting some sus looks, but it is what it is. Couldn't do anything. Let's jump in the jacuzzi. Haha, let's go. Oh, it's still a bit cold. Hey bro.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, good. What about you?
Yeah, can't complain. Woo! Have a look at that.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, bro. Cheers. That is textbook. So there's definitely a lot of these boats that are like a 3-day, 2-night, or like 4-day, 3-night kind of thing. But all of them have full dance floors up on the roof. It's crazy. Some of them are mega. Nice, brah. Let's go. This is next stop. T's telling us to stay. Adam's keen to do it, but we just had a look at this. Look at that. There's a queue of people all the way up there and back down. Is it worth it? Look at all these sardines, man. I don't know. Oh, you could just stay in the jacuzzi. You reckon that looks fun?
Hurry up.
I mean, this looks cool. That looks cool. And that looks cool.
I'm kind of feeling, sucks to wait in the line, but it's like a cool cave system all through, right?
Gotta hurry up about 1 minute up then moving.
What do you reckon?
Let's stay here, right?
No, I gotta get shirts.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
Alright, we'll f***ing do it. We'll do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we'll do it.
Is my phone?
Here, bro.
Oh, thank you.
Here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta jump off. Alright, we're doing it. Adam, you sold me, bros. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, it looks like a nightmare, dude. It does, but we're going. We're doing it. Alright. Bro, I think I'm gonna regret this, but we're going anyway. It is one of those things. Yes, we're coming, bro. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, bro.
About 4:15 to be other side, please, sir.
Okay.
4:15.
Thank you.
This one way, bro. This side, but pick up other side, not come back here, okay?
Okay.
So 4:15.
Pick up over
other
there.
side.
All right.
Other side there. Okay,
4:15.
just keep going here. I thought you stay on the boat.
Yeah, we changed our mind.
Yes.
We only hear once T. We thought, okay, we do it. Yes, bros. All right, this is what we come for, and this is what we come for. Not this, not this chaos.
Oh shit.
Yo, this is sick. That stop sign definitely fell from the roof.
I kind of want to just like climb over the rock.
All right, that's actually sick.
Wait. That's so shitty underwear.
Bro, get out of there.
Turn
Yo, look at this. Sick. Alright, that's actually pretty sick.
You wanna try? We are taking photo for free. Give you keychain with a small photo inside like this for free. We also selling the big size. You only cost when you want to buy the big one. If you just taking photo in here, I got the keychain. It's still free for all of you.
Just this one is free.
Yeah, just.
Alright, let's do it. Let's go. What a good idea.
So what do you
We'll go on the bottom and then you jump on top and we'll be a pyramid.
Come on,
Get on, bros. Get
on
on.
there.
Good.
Hands up, buddy.
Hands up. Wait, just hold that, okay?
1, 2, 3.
One more.
Train the pole.
Change your pose, right?
Yeah, that's it.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Nice one. Thank you.
That's it.
Yes. Do we get it? We get to choose which one? Bro, look at those fucking claws, man. Which one do you reckon? What are we choosing?
Let me see. I buy kitchen for you.
Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
And then photo you can buy if you want.
Okay, so we got 2 hands down.
Oh, no.
back down there?
Oh no
So both children inside
way!
here.
Look at that. Nice one. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's actually sick. All right, mate. You're done. You're done well. It was worth it. It was worth it. All right. This is a top. Got the key ring. See you back down on the boat. It's still cold, brother. It's freezing. Woo. I thought jacuzzi warm. Stand in all that traffic, go into the cave, get a key ring, come back down, bang, straight back into the jacuzzi. All right, this is last stop. We just docked there. Some random beach and a cliff you can hike up to, but not doing it. Not doing it this time round. Staying up here with Alex and gonna drink a beer, mate. Cheers. All right, that's gonna wrap up this one. What a day it's been. It's like 6:30, 7 p.m. now. We just pulled up at Halong Bay Pier. I think $60 US, 10 US plus for the speedboat. Do I recommend it? Yes. Was it the best thing I've ever done? No. But shout out to the legends I met today, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.